everybody, foXnoMad here, and today I want to help you travel smarter by showing you how to get free Wi-Fi at basically any airport in the world. Now there's a couple of ways to do this, but pretty much the easiest way is to download Yfox, which is an app I created which has over 1,300 airports, the Wi-Fi passwords, the lounge passwords, hidden network passwords, all kinds of passwords so that you can get online when you're traveling. So I figured today, why not, instead of tell you, just show you how it works. It's available for iOS and Android, and there's a free version on my site. All that I'll link to below in the description. But a couple days ago, I just released the latest version of Yfox called Yfox Premium. It's the biggest update to the app since its launch a couple of years ago, and I wanted to show you how it works and just walk you through how this can help you travel smarter. The first step happens when you have an internet connection before any trip to the airport. Download Yfox, and right now the enhanced Yfox Premium is available on iOS. Android users, there's an update for you soon. So now you've downloaded Yfox. It works completely offline, meaning all the password and network names inside are there, since obviously you're traveling and you need Yfox to get online in the first place. You just have to remember that the first time you download it, you've got to open Yfox up once with an internet connection. It will download all the latest passwords, and then you're ready to go. Once you've done that, Yfox is now ready for your trip to the airport or next layover. So I designed Yfox to be a continuously updated in real-time list and map of all the Wi-Fi passwords in airports around the world. So when you do have an internet connection again, it's just going to download the latest passwords for you automatically, and you're good to go. You can also use this button here if you want to force a refresh, but automatically Yfox is going to update that every time you have an internet connection. But where Yfox is really useful is when you don't have an internet connection at an airport, when you're traveling, when you're on a layover, and it can sort everything for you automatically. And as far as I know, Yfox is the only app that has a weighted rating system like this with verification. Like I said, I'm not going to give away all my secrets, but there's a lot that goes into making sure that the passwords that are in Yfox are all correct. And that means not only giving you correct passwords, but also updating the passwords as quickly as they change and removing and deleting old passwords that just don't work. Yfox Premium unlocks this rating system, which has been overhauled by the way, so it lets you see the signal strength and add your own ratings as well. Yfox Premium is free to upgrade for 7 days. Just click here, get your yellow star, and now you can see all the ratings for the various airports. Now you might be wondering about airports with free Wi-Fi. Well, Yfox helps you there as well, because it gives you the network name so you can make sure that you're not connecting to a malicious Wi-Fi network. Airports with free Wi-Fi but time restrictions, Yfox will also help you to get around those so you can get unlimited Wi-Fi. Now the biggest update to Yfox Premium is the automatic notification system, which will give you the top rated password for any airport as soon as you land. So it's going to give you the most reliable connection and the best internet connection for you. Now I don't have a flight today, so I figured I would just go to the airport and show you how this works. I'm on the way to the airport now for a demonstration, but just imagine you're on a layover and you just landed on the runway, or you just got to the airport before a big trip. Oh, and remember that password rating system I talked about earlier? Yfox will not only show you the top rated password for the airport, but also in the details where that connection is the strongest, like by gate 35 or that coffee shop that's just down the way. It'll give you more information so you can connect to the most reliable and the fastest internet connection depending on where you are in the airport. And Yfox also has a few other features like the ability to add your own passwords and connections, and most of these features in the latest version come from your feedback. So I'll leave a link to Yfox down in the description below, and you can download it and try it free for 7 days. Let me know what you think. Let me know what features you'd like to see in the app. Let me know your feedback, and I'll take it into account for an upcoming version of Yfox. Thanks very much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Oh, and if you notice that my beard maybe is a little bit longer, well, I actually filmed this video in 2 parts because the first time I got to the airport, I realized that there's something I wanted to tweak. Just in the app, just a small thing that I wanted to tweak. So I made that change, and then I just came back to test it and filmed the rest of the video for you. Anyway, if you've gotten this far, make sure you hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. I'll have new videos for you every week, and I'll see you in the next video.